let me shock you. Do you know that our product is competing with Chinese
products
in market? The demand that we have recently here is much that we cannot even get. What we don't produce is what we don't see. With this help of this machine, we can produce 10,000 daily.
10,000 units in one day instead of in 1 month. Can you see that?
We have gone to Bank of Industry.
Hello guys, this is Urbanized Media. Welcome back again to my channel. Today we are somewhere in Umudim, Nnewi Anambra State, and you know what? You know Nnewi is known for production. This time around, I'm bringing you MCO Foundry Works. These guys are amazing. They do amazing things here. You can't even believe what they produce here in Nnewi Anambra State. You would think it's made in China, that it's imported from China, but it's not imported from China. They might tell you inside the market that it's Chinese product or it's made in Taiwan or somewhere else, but it's made in Nnewi, made in Nigeria. Young man here, he's going to tell us so many things about this business. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
So could you just tell us more? Tell us just few brief us about this business.
Oh, you know, this business is all about foundry work. We are into production of a lot of spare parts. We produce battery terminal for all cars, clutch levers for all motorcycle and tricycle. Like keke, we produce clutch lever for keke.
Wow.
We also produce engine seating for flying boats. So we have a lot of products, footrest, a lot of them. What we don't produce is what we don't see.
Wow. Can you hear that, guys? What they don't produce is what they don't see. Could you believe that this is happening in Nigeria, in Nnewi, in Anambra State? So, how long have you guys been in this business so far?
Anyway, this business started with my dad. Then when I finished up my secondary school, then I decided to join him because I love the business. So this business, we have able to, you know that everything we've been doing here is manually.
Manual production.
Manual production. Everything.
Like, you guys don't use sophisticated machines here?
No, we don't have any. Like this oven we are using is being made by us.
The furnace.
The furnace, that is the local furnace. You can call it oven. It's being made by us. Why the molds are being made locally.
So what's stopping you guys? You guys do amazing jobs here. What's stopping you guys from, increasing that capacity, acquiring that sophisticated machines? What's stopping you guys?
The honestly, I must tell you, things has been hard. We have not got so much amount to get those machines, but with the help and the struggle we have been doing all this while, we can able to achieve this die casting machine here.
Okay, this is called die casting machine.
Yeah, this one is die casting machine. But the problem now is that we don't have mold for all this product because you need to import those mold from Chinese, from foreign countries.
From China.
Yeah.
Okay, the mold is used on this machine.
Yeah, the mold is being used on this machine. With this machine now, we can get more employees. Our products will produce a mass production.
You increase in capacity.
We increase in capacity.
Okay, what's your current capacity at the moment? How many units of products do you guys produce for all these products now?
Presently, we produce like 10,000 for each product monthly. So manually, it's been manually.
Wow, that's amazing. That's amazing.
With this help of this machine, we can produce 10,000 daily.
10,000 units in one day instead of in 1 month. Can you see that? Moving from 10,000 capacity from 1 month, that's 30 days, to just 1 day. Could you just imagine? Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Are you even thinking the number of employment is going to create and demands they're going to meet up with? Guys, we need to pay attention to this business. We need to pay attention to these guys. So you are saying that if you get the mold for this die casting machine now, you are going to move from 10,000 monthly to 10,000 daily for each of these products. Wow. Can you hear that, guys? What are you waiting for? But are you guys open for partnership of any kind?
Yeah, we are open for any good partnership any kind, because my dad have gone through Nnewi Incubation Center, have done the training there, and after we just find this small space here to keep on managing ourselves. But I believe the year is very open. Any partnership can enter, any support can, any investors can come in, because this business is one of the biggest business in the market. Let me shock you. Do you know that our product is competing with Chinese
products
in market?
I don't doubt it. With what I'm seeing here, you guys producing manually, and with what I'm seeing here, I don't think I'm not even doubt it any a bit. Because I saw one finished product, the way it's finished, how smooth and everything is. I was even thinking it's made in China, and it has been branded. I saw the brand name, but I don't want to mention that name, because when someone sees that particular product out there now, they will think it was imported from China, but they won't know it's being produced at the backyard. That's amazing thing, right?
Yeah, some of our products those our customers told me that do sell our products in form of China. The problem is just that we are not meeting up their demand. So that is the demand that we have recently here is much that we cannot even get. We'll keep on waiting for next month, 2 months, all those things are. But I believe definitely one day things will turn out for good.
But I believe that government do have fund for small businesses. Haven't any government agency reached out to you guys, or have you guys reached out to any government agency for help?
Honestly, we have gone to Bank of Industry, but they asked us to come up with some requires. But what kills my mind is that when you keep on spending, going there, after everything, you will not get what you need. Nothing happens. Let me tell you, many people have come here. There's one time they host some summit. A lot of Nnewi summits. A lot of people came, both government officials and everybody throughout this street was wondering, how do you guys get these people here? They promise everything, and later on, everything we didn't even see we didn't see anyone there. So that's why I believe in working hard. That's why I keep on working it hard here, kicking it. I know definitely one day we'll get to where we are aiming.
I believe that one day you guys are definitely getting there. But then, you guys that are watching us, these guys are doing amazing jobs here. They need help. Are you an investor? You have money. You're looking for where to put that money. Invest in Foundry. Foundry Works. They are here for you. They are here for you. Just bring that money so that you guys will run a multi-billion naira business. I will shock you that I promise you that when you put that money into this business that's already moving, that just needs to improve in capacity, within a few months, you'll be shocked the money you make, the profit you make. So when you invest in Foundry Works, you're not going to regret it.